Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on Baseus C02 magnetic phone holder. Specifications. Instructions. Installation instructions. Recommend use scenario. Features. Easy installation and removal. High quality materials. Troubleshooting. FAQs. How does the Baseus C02 magnetic phone holder work? What should I do if the phone holder does not stick properly? How does the magnetic holding mechanism work? Can the holder be used in different types of air vents? For more updates, subscribe to our channel.